Hey everybody, my name is Brooke and I'm an attorney turned outdoor content creator. And for the next couple weeks, I'll be sharing my adventures in Kanab, Utah. We'll explore slot canyons, slide down the dunes, jump off a cliff, and get lost in a snowy canyon. But first, we have to get there. Join me for a day in the life as we road trip from Salt Lake City to Kanab and see why being an influencer isn't always as glamorous as it looks. So today we are doing something a little bit different. I am here in Salt Lake City, Utah. I've been here for about a week attending a Women in Travel conference, the WITS Annual Women in Travel Summit. This was my first WITS and I loved it. It was so much joy in a space that can feel really competitive sometimes, and in a world that often pits women against each other, it was so cool to be a part of women lifting each other up. So that conference ended yesterday, but instead of flying home, we are gonna do something a little bit different, but we have to get there first. So today, I thought we would do a little day in the life, do some errands, get our lives in order, and head down to southern Utah. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. One of the easiest ways I like to save money while traveling is to buy groceries instead of going to a restaurant for every meal. Since we only have a mini fridge and no kitchen where we're headed, we'll be sticking to the 3 basic millennial women's food groups: cheese, kombucha, and bag salad. The drive to Kanab from Salt Lake City takes about 5 hours, but today we're breaking up that drive with more errands at one of the most underrated spots for solo road trippers, the truck stop. Sure, you can get gas, coffee, and a good selection of snacks, but if you head to the back of a spot like Pilot or a Love's, you will also find these hidden gems: showers and laundry. These come in clutch when you're camping or, like I am, been on the road and have most definitely run out of clean underwear. This location also has a Denny's attached to it, so I was able to grab coffee and a Grand Slam, catch up on emails, and wait for that laundry to be done. Now, I didn't know it at the time, but this is actually the moment when I made a wrong turn that would take my day from to actually amazing. After missing the turn earlier, Google rerouted me through the small town of Cedar City. And what I didn't know is that instead of the usual, albeit pretty boring route to Kanab, I was now headed on a winding, snow-covered, high-altitude scenic byway. Wow, this is so nuts, you guys. This is so beautiful. So right now we are on, I think, Utah State Route 14. And what's nuts is we weren't even supposed to be on this road. I took a wrong turn and Google just rerouted us through this absolutely incredible scenic drive. And that's just one of the cool things about road tripping and about being open to new experiences is you make a wrong turn, and instead of being upset that things aren't going according to plan, you end up somewhere like this. Back on the main road, the sun is starting to set as I near our final destination, the luxurious glamping resort Cave Lakes Canyon Ranch in Kanab, Utah. You guys, this place is unreal. I am so excited. Just driving around this property, this is cool. This is a special place. I'm excited to check this out. Let's go. I'll be using this as my home base as we get to spend the next couple of days exploring the nearby state parks, hidden slot canyons, and even volunteering at the largest animal sanctuary in the country. But for now, it's time to say goodnight, enjoy my bag salad, and take in that sunset.